Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the ELK stack, and I will show how you can save the logs from the NGINX server and push it over to your Kibana and then show it up. So that's what I want to show you today. Before we continue, I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel to get more videos from me, and if you like it, just like the video and share it with your friends. And of course, if you have any questions about the ELK stack, please make a comment below. I'm very happy to get any kind of feedback to improve my videos and help you to better understanding what I'm doing. So that's beginning up to the NGINX logs to the ELK stack. So the first we want to gonna do, it's going for the NGINX server, and then we just want to download the file bait. I have a link here, I will just copy it inside. And then I need to install curl first, and then we install the curl, and then we download the file bait, and we want to install it. When we have it installed, we need to go inside the configuration, and that's what we're gonna do. It's a YAML file. We want to send it to the host, so we need to output elastic, and got it down below here. You can see output Elasticsearch. The host name is the local host, and that's not true. We have it for my Docker environment, so I need to do this as my test environment. Then we have the username and the password. We have elastic and change me. For now, that's what we have. And then we need the Kibana for a little bit below here. Here we go. And down below we need the host, and one more time. The host is the Docker host here, and that's it. We can close the file. We need to go for the to-do file bait models, enable NGINX, and then we'll enable the NGINX and to-do file bait setup, and it's setting it up now. And after that, we need to starting up the service. We can do it just a little bit here if we're waiting. So now it's finished. We can just say sudo service file bait and then start. Now we can going back for the Kibana login system. We have it here, and we can just say logs and go in for the logs. And then we almost should get the NGINX. We can just say and then we should hit NGINX, and I need to find the NGINX. Let's see about this is the right one. Yes, now we have the NGINX, and here you can see what's happening. This is the request. I just remove this. It's fine. So that's it. That's how you can enable the NGINX log into the Kibana overview, so you can see what's happening. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy, and I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel to get more videos from me. I love to teach you, and I appreciate you have the time to watch my video. Thank you so much, and remember not to forget to like this video, share, and smash the comments. Thank you so much for subscribing. See you next time. Bye.